Next tool in AI in a workflows is Exterior Renovator. For example, you have an old exterior scene and it's with completely renovated for you. For example, in this, if you make it side by side, now a slider, you can see it's completely renovate the old building to the new. Let's try with our image. For example, you can upload your reference image here by clicking that. For example, this old house is our reference, and then you can prompt anything that you want. For example, add, I don't know, cloudy day, anything that you want. For example, you can make it to add, let's try add something, add black stone on a wall. Let's try that. Add a black stone on a white stone. Reference image. It means if you have an image that you want to be looks like that, the image that, for example, you want to completely change your renovate your building to another building, not very drastic changes, but you want to, if you can't describe your prompt here, we can load a reference image. For example, I want my house renovated like that. Scene, it means which scene do you want, architectural, something like that. Okay, or a mode, I explained it before. Structure is high, more technology, or precision concept, exactly like this. And the prompt, maybe I explained it before. Make sure that advanced is turned on to, of course, more better and more advanced. Artistry, if you want to add more art, your scene. If you want to change your lighting of your scene, you can use all of this. But I let the image, my reference, and my prompt, and the AI does other thing for me. And detailed and the fast mode, make sure that you go and purchase standard or pro version, that you have lots of coin to explore more. I don't know why it's not previewing here, but generate 3 image and let's see what happened. Sometimes the image preview got some problem, but if you generate it, it's not important. Just click generate, it generated for you fast. Nice. You can see it just added. Oh, it's recognized the black stone on walls. Let's preview one of them side by side. You can see it just renovate this. It's black, but it add a wall. You have to describe more. Okay, delete a prompt and generate again. I don't like that. The size of the output is exactly the size of that input. So make sure that you insert high quality image, or of course you can go to the upscaler. I explained it before. Now it's the thing that I want. If you side by side, you can see it's completely renovate for me. Interesting. Nice. Different version. Okay, this tool is powerful and nice. That's it. For using PromeAI, go to the description and click on this link. Then simple create an account. You can log in or sign up. You can continue with your Google account, or you can give an email and create a password if you want. And here is PromeAI website. For using the PromeAI AI tools, you have to spend coins. If you need more coins to using more of tools, you have to buy one of these plans. and you can redeem a code. I give that code in description. You can use it to get some coins. Please don't forget to visit our TutorialCells apps channel. In this channel, we are introducing Android application and learn how to use them.